What's happened to Peter Moriarty? So, this is me, Carl Taylor, announcing and letting you know that Entrepreneurs Rising is continuing with new episodes. Yes, hooray! However, it is continuing solo without Peter Moriarty. Now, Peter is alive and well. Pete is focused on his businesses and doing his own social channels. And we just came to an agreement. For a while, we were doing a lot of these episodes, and then we took a hiatus. We just had some personal things going on. And we always intended to come back and continue podcasting together. And then over time, it just became harder and harder with our schedules to find a time to connect. And I personally really wanted to come back to doing podcast episodes. I wanted to share some wisdom and just help entrepreneurs on the journey through going from being an operator to an owner to ultimately creating wealth through their business and thinking about their business as a wealth creation machine, both inside the business and outside the business. Something that I know Pete still is very aligned with and believes in, and we also both share various spiritual beliefs, and we look at life in business in different ways to some others out there. Ultimately, Pete and I had a conversation. We decided, you know what? I could start a new podcast, or I could take what we've already done with Entrepreneurs Rising and just continue to travel along with Entrepreneurs Rising as a solo show. Pete will definitely come back here and there. We'll do some guest episodes with him. But for now, I am taking up the mantle and will be your solo host moving forward. We're also going to be changing up the structure. We're going to trial some new things, some shorter episodes. We'll also get some guest interviews as well. So I'm really looking forward to what's to come. This is just a short episode to keep you in the loop. So if you haven't already, subscribe to this podcast and stay tuned for our new episodes. They're going to be shorter ones as well as I said, some ones with guests. If there's a specific guest you would really like to see on the show, or you personally would like to come on the show, please reach out to me. Just go to rising.show. And you can reach out to me, or you can also find me personally at carltaylor.com. That's Carl with a C, CARLTAYLOR.com. And you reach out to me and let me know that you'd like to be on the show or who you think should be on the show. So, without further ado, I will leave you to it today and look out for the next episode when it drops. You've been listening to Entrepreneurs Rising. Thank you, dear listener, for tuning in. I appreciate your time and look forward to connecting in future episodes. If you would like show notes or any resources from today's episode, you can find them at rising.show. Rising.show. You can find show notes for this episode and all other episodes, as well as links to socials and the ability to reach out and connect with me, make your suggestions for future episodes. Until next time, keep up the journey.